Alright, so this is that's ccel right there, which is where I work. And as you guys can see, today is a nice sunny day. Oh yeah. So let's see where else we're going today. By the way, this is called Alberni Street. So ccel is on Alberni Street. And yeah, it's a nice day today. So I'll pause here and I'll be back when there's something else to show you guys. So I was planning on showing you guys the Vancouver Art Gallery, which is right over there. And I'm sure you guys have heard of this before, but what's it called? Vancouver is of course very famous for a lot of filming that goes on around here. So I actually didn't know that this was happening right now, but apparently they're filming some kind of movie. And I'll be very honest with you guys, I have no idea what movie they're filming, but it looks epic because there's a lot of weird looking cars, and it looks like there's destruction happening or something over there. So I really don't know what it is. I actually just wanted to show you because they were renovating the art gallery, and it looks new and everything is new. It didn't look this way before. But yeah, I really don't know what movie they're shooting over there. But it looks like they're shooting something that has some kind of destruction, or a scene where a city is being destroyed. Here, maybe you can see better from here. Oh, okay. So it's not a movie. They're shooting Supergirl. I saw a person standing with their identification, and they're shooting Supergirl. So yeah, this is actually very common around Vancouver. You can always walk around and you'll find movie crews shooting movies or series or something like that all over the place. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so right now I'm on Granville Street, and you see that over there, it says the Hudson Bay. So that is actually one of the oldest companies here. So Hudson Bay, they started as a very famous, they're one of the oldest companies that used to basically sell fur, right? So a long time ago, fur was very, very expensive. It was what people used for currency, actually, to make a lot of money. So people would trade things like fur and like that. So if you guys have watched the movie The Revenant, you know, the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio and the bear and everything, that's what they were doing, right? They were trying to get fur. So Hudson Bay is actually one of the oldest companies that do this. And this is Granville Street, by the way, which is actually, so this is in the heart. This is in the heart of downtown Vancouver here, and I'm sorry for the bad recording, but I'm trying not to drop my phone because this is a new phone. Finally, after I murdered my last phone from dropping it almost 5 times a day. So I'm trying very carefully not to drop my phone, and I notice I probably need some kind of rig to put it in if I'm going to be doing videos like this. But yeah, anyway, this is Granville Street. It's one of the more popular streets down here. As you can see, it's a very dense shopping district in the middle of downtown. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for now. So we'll see what's coming up next. Ooh, something's going on. I hear the ambulance. Something was going on over there. Oh, check out what I just discovered on the way home. It's a new taco shop. Chronic Tacos. Ooh, it looks like they're just, it hasn't even opened yet. But I love tacos, and I'm actually very excited about that. So I'm gonna be checking that out when it opens. Definitely. Okay, and last, this is the waterfront station, which is usually where I come out after I'm done with my SkyTrain ride. So I usually come up over here, and this is Water Street. So right down there, that's the street that I showed you guys during Christmas. So since you've seen that before, I'm gonna end the video here. Besides, this video is becoming longer than my usual videos that I make for this. So I'll stop here, and it's summer now, so hopefully I'll be making a lot more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.